Hey everyone, Aaron from Ariens IKON here, showing you how to replace the mower belt, which is also known as the PTO belt, on your Ariens IKON XD zero-turn mower. Like all maintenance on an Ariens zero-turn mower, this process is easy and can be done with your own tools in your own garage. But before we start, let's just have a look at the safety section in your operator's manual to familiarize yourselves with safe practices when completing service. Remove the left belt cover from the deck. And now the right belt cover. Before you start, take a picture of the belt routing. We're working with a 52-inch deck, but the belt routing won't be the same as on the models with 42 and 60-inch decks. Remove the nut from the idler pulley. This is easiest with the deck in the lowest position. Remove the spring hook from the idler bolt with a spring puller. If a spring puller isn't available, use a generous length of thin but strong rope to pull the spring off the bolt. Collect the spacer and remove the belt finger from the idler. Now that we release the belt tension, we can remove the belt from the clutch pulley at the rear of the unit. Remove the nut retaining the belt finger to the rearmost idler pulley and remove the belt finger. Loosen the hardware retaining the idler assembly to the deck. Place the deck in one of its highest positions because you'll need to hold the bolt head from under the deck with a socket wrench and a deep socket. Just be cautious when working around the blades. Only loosen the hardware until there's enough play in the idler. It isn't necessary to remove the idler completely, just enough so the belt can slip under the idler pulley. Then remove the belt from the pulleys on the right side of the deck and remove the belt. Install the belt and route it to match the picture you took before we started. This example is with a 52-inch deck, but no matter which deck you have, the belt must always be oriented with the narrower edge around the spindle pulleys and with the wider edge around the idler pulleys. Position the belt over the transaxle brace and wrap the belt around the clutch. Reinstall the belt finger onto the rear idler pulley. Ensure the long end of the belt finger is through the top of the deck and that the belt is between the pulley and the finger before securing the belt finger with its original nut. Double check that the belt is correctly routed around the tensioner pulley, then tighten the idler hardware. Again, this is easiest with the deck in one of its higher positions because you'll need to hold the bolt head with a socket wrench and a deep socket from under the deck. Remember to work cautiously around the blades. Reinstall the belt finger so its short end is through the idler arm, and reinstall the spring hook around the bolt. Then reinstall the spacer with the narrow end down and secure the assembly with the original nut. Check that the belt is correctly routed, has tension, and is aligned in all pulleys. Reinstall the left belt cover. And now the right belt cover.
And though this process really wasn't too difficult, remember you guys always have the option to leave this procedure up to your nearest Ariens servicing dealer, which can be found at ariens.com/dealers. Now, if you are comfortable doing this one on your own, remember you can find the replacement belt part number in the service parts section of your operator's manual. New belts can be purchased from your nearest Ariens dealer or from the Ariens online parts store at parts.ariens.com. And that's all for today, but remember guys, as always, if you like this video and want to see more helpful content from Ariens, click on the Ariens logo in the lower right corner of the video to subscribe to our YouTube channel.